Hi everybody, Milan from milansmotorcycles.com, and today I would like to talk about, as you see, Speedos and gauges. I want to talk about company what was formed originally by John K. Stewart in 1905 in Southwest Chicago in USA. The company, original name of the company was Stewart and Clark. In 1912, Edgar Basic, with experience of manufacturing gauges, joined John K. Stewart and formed company Stewart Warner. His specialty was in instrument gauges for motor vehicles, speedos, and other. Company grew in size and at that location in Southwest Chicago. The building's square footage grew over 1 million square feet. At that peak, the company employed in that location over 6,000 employees. Stewart Warner had also additional locations through United States. In 1927, they produced their first radio. And in 1947, which it's a little over about 20 years after, they produced their first television set with built-in radio, which they produced up to about 1955. Now, interesting thing is that Stewart Warner was ranked as 95th contractor on the list of US government when it comes to volume of production for the war effort in World War II. Now, the labor strike hit Stewart Warner in 1981, and that was a quite setback for the company. Now, in 1987, September 9th, agreement was signed between BTR, which is British Tire Rubber Company, and Stewart Warner about purchasing Stewart Warner. Later on, in about 1989, the new owners moved the Southwest location into Mexico. They still producing some of the motor vehicle gauges and other things in Mexico and other locations. Now in 1992, Chicago location closed completely. Followed in 1993 was a massive fire which destroyed not only the old production decommissioned buildings but also the administration building. In November of 1993, demolition started, and it took almost a year to demolish all the buildings. Nowadays, condos and housing projects were built in the old location of Stewart Warner. Harley-Davidson started using Stewart Warner Speedos in 1936. This is one of their first Speedos what they built for Harley-Davidson. It's a Knucklehead 1936. Now we see other models, other years here of these Speedos, and that's something what I would like to focus on in next videos, to take every video a different Speedo, talk about the history, the different features of it, various part numbers, and also we look back about what the costs were. So if you are interested, please click on subscribe, because there's going to be more coming up. Lots of information about these wonderful Speedos. Some of them you see restored, some of them still needs to be restored. If you have any questions, you can contact us at www.milansmotorcycles.com. And I want to wish you all the best, and we'll see you next time.